So we have already done these right over here, just saying. So let me tell you on scallop. So you get 3 scallops. This is a giant, so place them in the middle. It will feel kind of hard, so yeah. They actually feel messy, so if you don't worry about the sounds, okay, that's okay. Because it just gets really. So yeah, right there. This is what you have to do, but we also have to add some butter. So that's going to be next coming up. Yep, but we will add some more. But this is our first interview. Now we will add butter straight in the middle, so we can get it all buttery. Sorry, my hands look at. See how they're like. It's kind of hard to pick them up. So yeah, it's kind of hard. Sometimes I have to get 2 buckets of it. That's the interview with the butter. Now we're adding. So next I'll add a teensy bit of garlic powder. Just sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Just like that, quick. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Real quick. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Quick. Sprinkle, 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 quick. That's what you have to do. Sprinkle all around them, get them quick. But they don't look like this one. You can maybe see it doesn't. You can't see it because it's only on butter. You have to reinforce it so it's on there because no one will be dipping it because. So now what we have, now we have to add a teensy bit of salt, not a lot, just teensy it around, because we don't want it to be a salty flavor, or else it would ruin your scallops. Or if you're a bad chef, you can add too much salt by accident, and it would end up not that good. So, just keeping it tuned. But this is what it looks like with the salt. Now, we have to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now, see you at drill. Okay, you pick out big ones. You don't go for the little ones. Those are dangerous. Just do that. Taking my wrist. See, it's so easy, but babies just don't try. Like if no one wants you around a grill, just don't. But it's very dangerous to do because you have to. But sometimes it may concern you, but that's okay. There. Well, there. Okay, so next you have to cut this one in half. You have to put the knife down. We can break the rest. These are good. Give it 1 second. So this is what you have to try. Well, it isn't squishy, so that's a clue. It is ready. You have a lemon at the end and then it gets sweeter as you chew some.